Hi, this is Ravi Koka, CEO of StockSnips. I'm here today to share some exciting news. We spent the last 2 years researching and building a sector adaptive model using our proprietary deep reinforcement learning engine. We built our financially trained large language model platform that derives real-time investor sentiment. We do this at the ticker and sector levels by reading a large volume of financial media news on a continuous basis. What's new is the deep reinforcement learning engine, which optimizes sector allocations as the market conditions evolve. Sector weights are predicted on a weekly basis in this model. Sector leadership has been extremely rotational this year, as we've seen a technology-led growth regime largely driven by a concentrated set of AI companies. However, events like tariffs, inflation, and interest rates have impacted our markets in 2025 with higher volatility, and there are times when a defensive posture is more beneficial. The timing of these rotations between growth and defensive sectors is very difficult to predict. This is where an AI model that has been trained on historical market patterns is better able to adapt and predict. The unique feature of our model is how we deal with the lag. Most sector rotation models are rebalanced either quarterly or every 6 months. In volatile markets like 2025, this may not work, and our model adapts much more rapidly on a weekly basis. And the way we're doing this is using deep reinforcement learning, the same technology used in autonomous driving, where conditions on the road constantly change and the vehicle has to adapt to that. You cannot assume a static environment. The stock market is very, very similar. We read our sector sentiment signals derived from individual equities in that sector and sector ETF prices. Deep reinforcement learning works on the principle of a penalty reward system. There's a policy function which comes up with the weights for the 11 sector ETFs, and the value function optimizes portfolio returns. During training, the model is learning the optimal policy decisions that generate maximum returns under varying market conditions. If the return is positive, it rewards. If it is negative, it penalizes. This process is stepwise and is done over millions of iterations. The model has been extensively tested for the period 2019 to 2024 and has been running live since January of 2025. The results to date are very exciting as the model is delivering returns with lower drawdowns and volatility. The model is adapting well. For example, in the second week of November, it took defensive stance allocating to utilities, healthcare, and consumer staples. So it adapted as the AI rally weakened. We're excited to share this innovative solution with the advisor community and our strategic partners. It's a rules-based, systematic process built using a proven AI platform by leading data and AI scientists. If you would like more information about our sector adaptive model, do contact us, or we're also happy to schedule a session. Thank you. Hi, this is Ravi Koka, CEO of StockSnips. I'm here today to share some exciting news. We spent the last 2 years researching and building a sector adaptive model using our proprietary deep reinforcement learning engine. We built our financially trained large language model platform that derives real-time investor sentiment.